Hi, I'm Barbara Bertucci, and I'm here for the wonderful meditation, the chaplain meditation that we do every Sunday morning. And so take a time, take a moment for yourself during this special time. It's real important that we take time to nurture ourselves and envelop ourselves in that wonderful love and light of God. So here we go, and welcome. And given the Native American, I've got my feather scarf on here, theme for this month, I just want to look at us grounding and nurturing ourselves. Okay? So if you feel comfortable, close your eyes. And I like to uncross my legs. I like to open my hands to an open palms up and get comfortable and sit back and relax. So take a deep breath in, exhale out. Exhale all the things that don't support you right now. Just blow them out. Nothing you can do about them right now. No work can happen on them. So we're just going to exhale them out and let them go. Any projects you're working on, we just bubble them up, put them up in the sky, and just tie a little bow on them and protect them. But get them out of your body. Okay? Let's do that. So another deep breath in. And now we're going to have our feet on the ground. We're going to bring that wonderful energy up from Mother Earth. Each breath in, we're getting a little higher. We're exhaling all the things that don't support us, blowing them out. Breathing in again, up to our legs. That wonderful yellow, molten, wonderful energy from Mother Earth. Bring them up our legs, our body, our torso. Every breath we go a little higher, envelop our heart. Every chakra, we just keep coming up and up. Exhaling out. Now we go up out the top of our heads and envelop our whole body in that wonderful love, that wonderful light of God. Blessed right here, right now. Thank you, God. Yes. Yes. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for this day. Thank you, God, for life. We are so blessed to have this opportunity that we call life right here, right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, God. Okay. Envelop ourselves in that light, that love. It's almost like a nice warm hug, right? So as we are grounding ourselves in this wonderful energy, I invite you to go to a sacred place. And if you don't have one, I'm going to declare one for you. And it's the beach. So we're going to lay on the beach and we're going to have our feet on the ground. So our knees are bent, feet are on the ground. And we continue to have this wonderful energy. But now we have the wind, and we have the sun coming down on our face. We're going to have all the elements as we hear the ocean whoosh, with the rhythm of the ocean and the rhythm of our breath. We're going to go deeper and deeper into ourselves and just nurture that inner you, that inner child, that wonderful being that makes you who you are, that gives you the joy moments, the aha moments that we find so blessing in every way. It makes us the unique person that we are. And during this time of hibernation, I just invite you to nurture yourselves every day in one way or another, whether it's getting into nature, taking a nice hot bath, or letting the sun just come down on your face, whatever that is, or your pets coming up and licking you on the face, and just having that wonderful connection with another living being and thing. So, and if not, you get to have it with yourself, and that's the invitation. So you feel the warmth of the earth on your back. You just stretch out. And it's amazing how well you can feel and how more rejuvenated you can feel just by laying on the earth and visualizing yourself laying on the earth right here, right now, in this moment, connecting with Mother Earth, with Gaia, and just envelop yourself in that wonderful energy. Yes. Mother Earth Father, Son, the moon, all of it. Just taking this moment for this life's journey to be blessed in every way. So, another deep breath in, exhaling out, breathing in, exhaling out. And we come to that wonderful inner knowing, that wonderful calm, that wonderful peace, that knowing that all is well. In the midst of all the things happening in our world, there's an inner core that you know that you are blessed right here as a child of God, blessed in every way. We take that wonderful energy that we have enveloped ourselves, right? Now we're going to ripple it out, and we're going to send it out to all those we think of right here, right now. And we're going to bless them and envelop them in that wonderful love, that wonderful light of God in every way, seeing every fiber of their beings lit up with God's light, God's love, right here, right now, blessed in every way. Every one of God's creatures, we can bless them as well, sending that ripple out, blessing your town, blessing the businesses, blessing everyone that you think of. I like to say chosen family as well. So we have that, enveloping them all. You might want to take a moment and think of their names. Yes, yes. I invite you this week to say yes to life. Say yes to someone that you haven't said yes to in a while. Say yes to an opportunity to go play in nature, play with God, play with just being with people, even if it's on a Zoom presentation like I'm doing right now. I said yes to this meditation. So on the beach, breathing in that wonderful ocean air, the negative ions, and just enveloping ourselves with the wonderful sun, energy of the sun, the energy of the wind, and the ocean, and the earth, the heat of the earth coming up. We find ourselves so blessed, so calm, so rejuvenated in this moment, this second. We find ourselves so blessed in every way. So I invite you to, in your mind's eye, just to stand up. Throw your arms up. Welcome the ocean. Thanking God for this day. Balancing all your chakras. They're just going to be declared balanced right here. The chakras in the back, the chakras above. We're just going to balance them all. And we're going to turn and we're going to walk back. And as we walk back, we're on a wonderful path of life. And we know that in the midst of all that's happening, that we are blessed. Blessed as a child of God, one foot in front of the other. We continue forward. And as Reverend Temple said many moons ago, 2 Sundays ago, the past is a knapsack on your back, but you've cut a hole in the back, on the bottom, and you're releasing all the things that weight you down, all the things from the past. So you're feeling lighter, more alive than you've ever felt before in your life. And you continue on your path, and you're so excited. And it's life. It's all these opportunities that you've been given, the God gifts, the connections. And you're so ready, so amazed, and so blessed at this amazing opportunity that we call life. So kind of wiggle in your seat, get your fanny going, wiggle your toes, give yourself a nice big hug of love and light. Coming back to this moment that we call life. And it's just been my opportunity and a blessing for me to play with you today and to hopefully have you feel nurtured and loved. Bye for now. And oh, if you want to pray with the chaplain, just email it in or info@firstunity.org, and we'll be happy to have your prayers on our prayer list. Okay? Thanks. Bye for now.